Hey, hi, my name is Shan-Nen. I'm the CFO of Aurora Mobile. And welcome to Aurora Mobile second quarter earnings release presentation. Our Q2 earnings release was published on August 28. And for today, I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you on the great numbers that we have recorded for the quarter ended June 30th, 2025. We are very pleased with the results, and I trust that you share my sentiment too by the end of this call. Next, I'll go into the significant milestone achieved by the company in the second quarter of 2025. And later, I'll provide a detailed analysis of our recent operational results, breakdown of the financial data reflecting our business momentum, and share the strategic roadmap guiding our growth this quarter. This is a moment that we have been eagerly anticipating, as we are excited to share our progress and the stories behind our performance with our value investors, partners, and stakeholders. Next. In part one, I'll walk through Aurora Mobile's key business development during the second quarter of 2025, from our global flagship product, EngageLab, to our AI agent platform, GPT Bots. And let's take a closer look now at the milestones that are shaping our long-term trajectory. Our EngageLab continued its strong growth momentum in Q2 2025. The number of customers increased by 171% year over year, and the cumulative contract value increased by 265% year over year. Q2 revenue grew by 67% year over year and 24% quarter over quarter, demonstrating the robustness of our full cycle operations. And notably, EngageLab global expansion has become increasingly effective. It has not only emerged as the company's second growth driver, but also continuously inject new momentum into the overall business ecosystem, becoming a vital pillar supporting the group long-term development. In Q2, we have partnered with China Unicom to launch a smart integrated verification international edition to our EngageLab platform. In this collaboration, EngageLab fully leverages its strength and utilizes China Unicom's extensive network to provide international clients with a one-click mobile phone verification service. And this fully confirms EngageLab's leading technological strength and the service capability in the global user identity verification field, clearly highlighting the core position and widespread influence within the industry. In the future, we will continue to strive to create more valuable collaboration. Our AI agent platform, GPT Bots, has successfully integrated a majority of the mainstream large language model and plan to complete the integration of more in the future. We firmly believe that this initiative will further optimize the quality of our service for our customers, enhancing user satisfaction and experience through more precise support and more efficient responses. As a benchmark leader in the enterprise-level AI agent sector, GPT Bots remains focused on core customer needs. To establish a more reliable service assurance, the platform has successfully obtained multiple industry-recognized certifications. And we actively participate in various global exhibitions, proactively showcasing our core product and services advantages to customers worldwide. Our high-quality solutions have garnered widespread praise and recognition. And in Q2 of 2025, our board of directors has approved a strategic initiative to invest up to 20% of our cash and cash equivalents in cryptocurrency and digital assets as part of our treasury management plan. This initiative is designed to modernize our treasury practices while maintaining sufficient liquidity for operational needs. As I shared earlier, EngageLab has demonstrated robust growth vitality, with various business metrics continue to rise, showcasing impressive development momentum. The developer subscription business in Q2 2025, revenue was at 53.7 million, marking 4 consecutive quarters of revenue above 50 million mark. and our all business line recorded double-digit year-over-year revenue growth, and our net dollar retention for developer subscription service at 99%. And we achieved our very first profitable quarter in the history. Gross profit increased by 13% year-over-year and 1% quarter-over-quarter. Gross margin consistently at a high level at 66.4%. OPEX are kept at optimal level to support revenue growth acceleration. Equally important, operating cash recorded a net inflow of RMB 7.9 million. And we successfully reached our very first GAAP profitability milestone in history in this quarter. Behind this impressive performance lies the unwavering dedication and teamwork of all our employees. We have made significant breakthroughs and solid progress in both business expansion and financial performance. And looking ahead, we are confident in the group's continued profitability and deliver high-quality earnings reports with steady growth, fulfilling the trust and expectation of our investors. Next. Our total revenue grew 13% year-over-year to RMB 89.9 million. Developer service revenue grew by 14% year-over-year and 3% quarter-over-quarter. Vertical application grew by 10% year-over-year and decreased by 4% quarter-over-quarter. Subscription revenue rose 12% year-over-year, driven by growth in customer number and increase in ARPU. Value-added services revenue surged 30% year-over-year and 21% quarter-over-quarter due to the Q2 online shopping festival and increased ad spending allocation to us. Vertical application revenue rose 10% year-over-year and decreased 4% quarter-over-quarter. Financial risk management revenue grew 27% year-over-year due to the acquisition of new customers. And gross profit rose 13% year-over-year to RMB 59.6 million, reaching the highest level in the past 10 quarters, and the margin maintained at a high level. The improvement is due to a higher contribution from scalable high-margin service line. The total operating expenses remain stable at 60.8 million. R&D, sales and marketing, and G&A expenses were kept at a reasonable range, and spending well controlled. And deferred revenue remains at a high level, reaching RMB 156.1 million. As a key indicator of our ability to receive money in advance and market trust, this figure not only provides a clear testament of our strength and stability of the group's cash flow, offering solid funding for daily operation and strategic investment, but also underscore the health of the foundation of our business model. It reflects the customer's long-term recognition of our service and their willingness to prepay, injecting predictable momentum into the continued growth of our business. Next. Cash and cash equivalent and restricted cash reached 119.8 million. Our deferred revenue continued its 21 quarters straight above 100 million. AR turnover days reduced to 54 days, showing strong assurance to revenue growth. NDR for developer service held strong at 99%. These metrics show that we are operationally efficient and financially prepared for future growth. And this is pretty much the good numbers that I have to share with you all. An investor can stay updated on Aurora Mobile's latest development through following platform. You can follow it as X, Facebook, LinkedIn, StockTwit, and Weibo. And thank you once again for your attention during this meeting. Overall, I believe you all would agree with me that it was a great Q2 numbers that we have delivered. And your engagement is vital to driving force for our progress. Looking ahead, we kindly ask everyone to continue focusing on our development dynamics. And we are confident that our solid business foundation and sustained growth momentum, and the company will continue to deliver outstanding performance. Thank you.